Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, bringing you the developments shaping markets, capital access, and business decision-making across Jamaica and the region. Let's get into the stories that matter. 12 micro, small, and medium-sized businesses affected by Hurricane Melissa have received a financial boost through a recovery grant program administered by the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce. The Chamber has dispersed a total of $2.5 million under the Melissa Recovery Grant Program, made possible through a donation from the Trinidad and Tobago Chamber of Industry and Commerce. The JCC says the initiative reflects a strong partnership between the two organizations and highlights the importance of regional cooperation in helping Caribbean businesses recover from natural disasters. According to the Chamber, the grants are intended to help affected businesses restore operations, replace damaged equipment and inventory, preserve jobs, and strengthen their ability to withstand future shocks. For the trading period of August 7, 2026, the most actively traded securities were Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 17,633,192 units, representing 37.43% of market sales. Atlantic Hardware and Plumbing Limited with 4,651,180 units, representing 9.87% of market sales. Woodcats International Limited shares with 3,143,786 units, representing 6.67% of market sales. Investor activity remained concentrated in distribution and transportation plays, signaling continued interest in dividend-producing and strategic assets. Turning to the foreign exchange market, based on Bank of Jamaica data for August 7, 2026, Forex traders recorded significant activity with strong demand across major currencies. The US dollar had trading margins reflecting steady liquidity, with the US selling at $159.56 and buying at $157.33. For the Canadian dollar, moderate gains supported by 88-cent transaction spreads. The Canadian dollar sold for $114.24 and was bought for $113.63. The British pound had continued volatility, offering short-term trading opportunities of $3 in profits for the banks. The British pound sold for $215.52 and was bought for $212.52. These movements underscore the importance of cash flow timing and currency awareness for businesses managing import costs, debt servicing, or overseas exposure. For our credit report tip of the day, we want to take the banker's perspective for rebuilding credit worthiness after 50. So after 50, it isn't about chasing a higher credit score. It's about demonstrating financial responsibility, stability, and capacity. As a banker, the focus is on knowing your credit story, meaning you want to review your credit report and identify any issues that come up. You want to establish consistent payment behavior, because on-time payments demonstrate that your financial behavior has changed from any past problems. You want to reduce your debt burden. A good credit score doesn't compensate for excessive monthly obligations. Lenders want to see that you have room in your income to repay additional debt. Also, build financial documentation. If you're moving toward entrepreneurship, consulting, real estate, or any other income stream, keep organized bank statements, tax returns, contracts, and financial records. And finally, use credit strategically. So don't borrow simply because you can. Credit should help you build assets, manage cash flow, or create productive capacity. So at 50, you're not starting over, you're building your financial profile that reflects where you're going, not where you've been. Now, in our funded and focus feature, let's look at funding your business beyond the bank. So the bank loan isn't the only way to fund your entrepreneurial dream. You can explore grants, angel investors, crowdfunding, revenue-based financing, strategic partnerships, customer financing, and friends and family. So the key isn't simply finding money. It's finding the right type of capital for your business, your stage of growth, and your willingness to take on debt or give up equity. So before you approach a funder, understand what you're offering and what the capital will help you achieve. And that's today's business report. I'm Denise Williams. Until next time, stay informed, stay intentional, and keep building forward. See you soon.